Good morning. Good morning. Hey, how's everybody doing? Vinny Cuz here, and it is Monday morning. And I hope everybody had a good weekend out there. We are going to be trading some stocks today. There's going to be some changes on my personal channel, not changes, but additions. I've been thinking about it a lot, and I try to bring as much rideshare content as possible. Um, and so I'm still doing my rideshare because with rideshare I'm chasing freedom. Freedom involves pivoting into other things as well. So we can talk rideshare, we can talk trading stocks, we can talk it all because that's the goal, right? We're all trying to get up out of here. So we're going to do a few things here, make sure everything is running right, and then from there, waiting on Eddie. We need Eddie. Eddie. I don't know where Eddie's at, but he'll be here shortly. He'll be here shortly. Because we're going to be watching the "Watch Me Lose My Money." That's Eddie's channel. So anyway, how's everybody's weekend out there? You guys make some money this weekend or what? I had a so-so week. I'm gonna do a little earnings video later on. I actually started it yesterday. Um, Good morning, Richard. How are you, sir? Good to see you. Top of the morning. And I'll get that video out later on today. But in the mornings, I'm going to be trading with Eddie. It'll have its own playlist on this channel. I thought about multiple channels, but multiple channels, you know what? There's a lot of maintenance, a lot of work's got to go into that. And, if I'm going to try to be here to help other people, and show them a path, then you got to understand, y'all. This is a lifestyle. This isn't just rideshare. This isn't just trying to trade stocks and options and cryptocurrency. It's a lifestyle, right? It's no different than any other profession. If you're a teacher, it's a lifestyle. Your mornings are going to be filled with trying to get your family to work, then you trying to get to work, and dealing with them kids all day, then coming home and doing homework and all of that other stuff. So, we're going to need it's a lifestyle. If you're a doctor, it's a lifestyle. You got 12-hour shifts you got to worry about. If you're a fireman, policeman, it's a lifestyle. If you're an airline pilot, it's a lifestyle. And there's plenty of room in there to pivot and grow, and that's what we're going to do. So, I have no idea where the hell Eddie's at. He's not here yet. I'm sure he'll be there somewhere. All right, Wes. Good morning, Wes. How you doing, brother? Yeah, Wes is cleaning. Listen, brother, I hear you. Let's get it. Multiple income streams, 100%. Um, Now, for me personally, I wait the first 10, 15 minutes of the morning. I know the market's getting ready to open now. We are broadcasting on the Eddie's channels as well on his Driving in Style because he's supposed to be here. Excuse me, Eddie. Everybody's waiting on you. We're already in. We're already on. We're live. I'm on your channel, my channel, their channel. Let's go, bro. GNS is up again today. Brother, back out of where you're at and enter the studio with the thing I've already got going. You'll see it. Or I can just send you the link. Yes, we're live, and I'm telling people that you're messing up. See, even Wes is like, Eddie, come on, bro, let's go. They can hear you through the radio. Oh, boy. Yeah, you're not where you're supposed to be. Hold on. Back out of Restream. Just back out. Sorry for the technical difficulties. It's morning time. I usually join Eddie, but I beat Eddie to the punch this morning. Because when you make a decision, you got to go with your decision. You gotta be ready to go with your decisions, even if it hurts you in the short term. But the pivot's the pivot. I mean, that's the bottom line, bro. The pivot is the pivot. Eddie, I emailed you a link. All right, market's open. There he is.
Oh, what's going on?
There's Edward. Say hello to your fans, buddy. Wes is like,
Hey,
come on, Eddie, let's go, bro.
my money. Let's go. Okay, I didn't know. So, you went live, and then I was in there. I was like, "Where is everybody?" and then I saw everybody on the chat. Um, all right, so it looks like I was like I was in there. I was waiting, but all right. Let me share my screen right now.
It's all Eddie's fault.
Of course, yes, I admit that one's definitely my fault. All right, all right, here we go. All right, watch me lose my money. Day trading channel, taking rideshare to a whole new level. All right, and all right, stupid simple strategy, which is called the VWAP bounce, which is basically orange line, green line. Once the green line, which is an EMA, crosses the VWAP and it touches it crosses it, and then the candles come back to the VWAP, then that's when I make my purchase, whether it's up or down, and just make a quick buck, 10%, 10% out of the option. But we
Yep.
are starting off because it looks like I didn't save my settings last time.
Eddie, 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 Eddie. It's all your fault, bro. You
Yeah.
can't blame me. Oh, by the way, sir. By the way, sir. Eddie,
Uh huh.
everybody out there watching, let's give a big congratulations to Eddie. He stepped up his game. He has now a real computer that he can do everything he
Yeah.
needs to do with. He won't be freezing up on us. He won't be disappearing. He's going to be here for a while now. So that's awesome. I'm glad he's with us. And congrats, bro. Congrats.
Yeah,
Welcome to
yeah.
the
Bought the new PC, and again, as I tell everybody, start your little additional income on the side. Which for me, it was my YouTube money, and YouTube money, I'm reinvesting it into something even better. So, I'm trying to do a product review on it. Um, but now I have to set everything up with the new PC. So it is freaking so cool. Oh, all right. Hold on. Let me put my See this? I gotta do all my indicators again. EMA, EMA. I need EMA.
All right. Well, while Eddie's doing all that, I'm looking at Spy this morning. Remember, I won't make a trade until 9:45 unless something really drastic happens. I do have my screen up over here, but we're going to follow Eddie's, and we're going to keep this. We're going to get this show moving. We're going to get this show moving, sir. I got Tesla over there. I don't want Tesla over there. I want. I have. We're just going to watch Spy. That's it. I don't know if we're going to keep going or not. I have no clue. We're in no man's land. But I know this, we got a lot of earnings. Tesla has earnings on Wednesday, sir.
They have earnings on Wednesdays.
They have earnings.
It's not the end of the quarter. It just
We
started.
have earnings report on Wednesday, sir.
All right.
Okay, just letting you know. And same thing with like Uber and Lyft stocks, right? Like I'm out of Lyft. I don't have any more Lyft. I will not buy Uber. Um, and Lyft is running into earnings here in a couple weeks. So generally, you'll have a run up into earnings. You'll start to see an uptrend to like a either like a day before. If they start leaking the bad news, people will start selling off. You know, so we're going to keep an eye on Uber and Lyft. Right now, Uber and Lyft are both up. They're both up. They're both up. Which I sometimes I wonder why, but they're both up.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well.
Spy is bouncing this morning, not a whole lot. Bro, we had a good time on the stream last night, dude. That was
Uh,
all right.
yeah. Yeah. I liked it. I liked it, dude. But we go for we go for so long on the stream.
Yeah, but I mean, what are you gonna do? How do you
Uh,
get around that? You know? How do you get around? I mean, are you just gonna just clip it and leave everybody hanging, or because then we do the stream, and then after the stream, we're there for another goddamn hour.
yeah. I know. Hey, my VWAP. See what I mean? My VWAP is not showing.
We
I
wop on
see.
what? Oh, on
See.
Weeble.
Yep.
Did you go
I
into
turn.
indicators?
Yep, yep. I'm in indicators. Here's the VWAP. I got the VWAP right here. Oh, okay. There's no
There's no what, bro. There's no what, bro. I got a VWAP. I click on my VWAP. My VWAP shows up, bro. What are you talking about?
See, I need my VWAP or else I can't do anything without it. Restore
Yeah,
the
you do need
default.
your VWAP. Let's go. Get your VWAP. Let's go.
Look at this.
I got my VWAP.
VWAP. VWAP. See, it's not showing up.
So for those who don't know what
Oh,
VWAP
oh.
means,
I know why.
well, see, it's Eddie's fault again. VWAP
I'm not
is
on my
your
spy.
volume. VWAP is your volume weighted average price. It's where all the heaviest buys are at that price.
This is this orange
Oh,
line right here. This is the one I'm, or yellow line. This yellow line right here is the one that I'm watching. 200. So the way that I'm seeing it, as always, every day, the market it's on an uptrend and I'm following the 200. I wait for the stock to settle and figure out in which direction it's going to go. I wait for this green line to cross over my VWAP, and once the candle touches the VWAP and the candle closes either above it or under it, that's when I start making my decision.
smart man, smart man, smart man. I I don't know why this is not doing what I want it to do. I'm still looking to the downside today. I think we're going to see some downside, but you never know. You never know. You never know. Patience is everything. Wait for the setup. Don't force the trade. Wait for the trade. Let it come to you.
Buy the bid. See this? I have everything all set up, so I'm buying the bid. See, it takes. Oh, by the way, it took me a little bit of time to learn this. With Vinny's help, of course.
No,
I
no, no, no.
definitely need that.
You were in good position when we got started, buddy. All right, so we're going to look at something for Richie because Richie has been into Genius Brands. So I think that's GNS. Is that GNS? Yes, Genius Group. There it is. Let's see what it's doing. Oh wow, Richie.
Hold on. What is
I
it?
know
GNS.
GNS. GNS.
Ooh, look at this.
All right, so it's already filled its gap from a couple of days ago. But it does have a level in here. Let me get
It
a
did
level
break
here.
under, and the candle closed under the 200.
We're looking for a 283 to the bottom right now. That would be a short-term support area 282, 283 be short-term support. It looks like it did a lot of consolidation on Friday. There's some good volume. I can see
Wow.
where the price action was on the volume.
Yeah, but look at the daily.
Well, you got to understand this stock has had some. It's been under attack. Synthetic shorts, hedge funds have been. You've got companies out there that all they do is attack stocks. They try to short the living mess out of them. See, I'm watching my language, Eddie. I'm watching my language, bro. I'm watching my
Yeah, I know
language.
you told me about those news about they've
YouTube,
been.
YouTube says we can't curse no more. It's going to start It's already demonetizing a bunch of stuff. So we'll try to work within the framework. If you guys, hey, listen, if you guys hear me say banana head, I don't mean banana head. You can insert one of the 5 words you can't say on TV in there as banana head. I had to teach myself that, dude. Remember, I've got a military language. I got a hood where I grew up language, and I come from an Italian family language. So my language is it's not good.
Watch your language, okay? Watch the language. Let me see. These are expired. I need to delete this one, and I need to delete this one.
I want to see what
Okay.
Genius does here. I'm curious now. I should bring this up. Let
No,
me
no,
bring this
no,
up.
no. This is what I'm already this thing started.
What? What's starting, dude?
No,
We
no,
should be
no.
good
I
to
need
go.
to. I need to no, I need to disconnect my SPY. See, there's a little section right here. I have to disconnect it from these because every time I select my option,
Uh-huh.
select
Uh-huh.
select. Okay, great. I'm in.
Are you in? That's what she said. She wanted to know if you were in. What? She wanted to know if you made it home safely.
All
What are
right,
you
here we go.
talking about? You just want to know if you made it home safely?
All right, here we go. What's going on? Oh, extended. I have a funny feeling it's gonna go up for a little bit, so I'm gonna give it a nice little try right here.
Oh, you go for it. I don't see anything that I like yet.
Okay, I'm buying two of the ask. I'm gonna wait for it to try to see if it breaks that high really quick of 396.91,
I
but
didn't
I'm
even.
ready to sell.
I haven't even checked what's on the calendar yet this morning. Such a bad guy. I'm such a bad guy. No, that's not what I want. Go back. That's what I want right there. 10 a.m. Leading economic indicators minus 0.07. So they're expecting that's all that's on there. So we do have a little bit of news that's going to come out at 10 o'clock this morning.
Okay,
We'll see how it
I'm
goes.
selling the bid, 5.56%. Come on, sell, sell. Nice. Ah, yeah,
What we do? What
great.
we do? Recap the trade. Inquiry
Okay,
minus.
nothing. All right, so here we go. So I bought two call options right here. All right, red lines under my two lines. Green line crossed over my VWAP to the upside. So I got good support. I wanted to get to this point and break, assuming it was going to do that. So I bought two options right over here. Two options. There, it was a 1 day option, so it would have expired at tomorrow at 397. So it was costing me like 100 and I think it was like 150 bucks. Two options.
Okay.
And I just wanted to catch it to right here to this point because I don't know what it's gonna do once it gets to here. And look, it went past it because on in the long run, it's like I'm telling you, it's like it's right.
Ah,
See
you see what
the
it hit.
line, the line, yeah, it's like it's right there on my line. So it's gonna go up and it's gonna continue, but it's been bad news all over the place. Still bad news. As long as he's in there, it's gonna be bad news. Um, because nobody trusts the market. Nobody trusts the market. Um, but
Uh-huh.
yesterday, last week's candle. Look at how big this candle is. This red candle. So you have to beat that. I
All
need to
right.
get rid
Well,
of these lines.
we're hitting my 9:45 range, so now we're going to start looking at stuff. For me, I don't see anything I don't see any setups right now. I just see a lot of consolidation. I don't see anything really doing anything. Tesla's hitting up against my next upper resistance level, which is 137.62. Boop, 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 boop. And after that, it's got a ways to go before it gets to its next band. So if Tesla running into earnings this week, I haven't even looked to see what the news is going to look like.
I need another screen.
Did
It
you
looks
set
like
that
it's.
second screen up yet?
Yeah, no. So I have to wait for my power cord because I can't find my power cord for this TV. Once it comes in, oh look, and it kept going. It kept going. I could have made more on it, but five, ten
Honey, be
percent,
happy.
and I'm done. I just didn't like the idea that this is my high.
Right. Yes. See, you're learning. You're learning.
So look at this.
Pre market high right there.
This is my high right here. I didn't know what it was gonna do once it got here. So once it got here, you can see like there's a little wick right here that kind of pulled back on it, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm out.
You know you can open that up some, right?
What?
Yeah. And make it bigger so people can see it on their, because a lot of people are probably watching on their cell phones and they're not really looking. Yeah, Richie, I'm looking at GNS, buddy. I'm looking at GNS. It's tanking a little bit there, but hold steady. 282 is your support area right now. 282. That's what you're waiting on. Michael Fortner. Good morning, sir. Says I am a driver in the Dallas Fort Worth area. I have heard from many drivers that Austin is busier than Dallas Fort Worth. Eddie.
Um, Man, that all depends. I've been to Dallas a couple of times, and Dallas is quite busy, but I don't know. When I was in Dallas and I was working it, I wasn't really very picky. I just basically, I picked up my rides, but I needed to, catch it back and stuff. But there is opportunity in Dallas. My one of like my big strategy is I don't shut the app off. Like I don't shut the app off. I can't shut the app off. If I shut the app off, then the algorithm, kind of messes up and they don't throw me rides because it's expecting for me to not be working, So because remember the AI gets used to your work habits. So if every 4 hours you shut the app off, then it'll stop throwing you rides, expecting you to be shutting the app off at that time.
All right, Eddie. I am actually looking at I am all
Oh,
right,
look at
we're
this! It
making a
just
run
took
at
off.
two spy calls, $400 calls. Let's see if I get in.
Wait, hold on.
Accept.
Why are you
Why?
getting in now? It's already overextended. Don't you see that?
It's not overextended yet. Not overextended yet. Not yet, sir. But it hasn't filled yet either. Oh no, I don't want it at 15. Well, right now it's at 15. So let's see.
Yesterday's high,
All right, let's see if it cancels out.
and it's the low. I don't even know why I should mark the low because it's freaking all the way down here.
I'm looking at my 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart says it's okay, but
I want it to pull back. Well, I want it to pull back to my VWAP and do it again, and or my opening right here. Which, if it does pull back, it looks like the VWAP might work its way up there. So
all right. Well, I did not take the trades. I canceled those out. Um, it would have been up, I don't know, a couple pennies right now, a couple dollars. But there's something else I just thought about. Not so much what you said with the overextended, because I don't on my RSI it's not overextended. I'm watching the 2 minute and the 5 minute chart, and I see the direction that we're heading in. Um, the reason why I pulled back is I want to see what happens at 10 a.m. I'm waiting on the news. Either the news is going to be bad and it'll fire up, or the news is going to be good and it'll come back down. Remember, people buy the new or they sell the news and buy the dip. That's what people do. So let's see what happens. But the dollar is down, it's weak. Bonds are down, oil's steady, and the VIX is down. So indicate all indicators. If you're going to use charts from other things, indicators say it should be a little bullish today. We ain't gonna know to the end of the day if I'm full of shit or not. But I mean,
Well,
full of.
look, it might go. It might go. Like 397.68. See what happens. See what it does. 397.68.
All right. We also have Mr. Carlos from Orlando, Florida. Que pasa, bro? What's happening, man? How's things up in O Town, Mickeyville, Darata? How's things up there? You guys staying busy or what?
Hey, Vinny, how can I if I was to detach it?
What is that? Weeble?
Yeah. If I
All
could
right.
detach it.
You can. You can. You see the little hamburger menu? See the
Yeah.
little three lines top? Click on that.
Uh-huh. And
Sum
then
up
I can
your
have everybody see just look at that. Oh my. See, it's so predictable. It's so predictable. Not because it's just like this is what happens. Like, okay, okay, I'm like, I look at it, I was like, okay, what's it gonna do when it gets to this point? So it pulls back a little bit, but once it hits that line, boom, it takes off.
398. Well, that's where that volume profile comes in. 398 is your next resistance area.
But if my fill was, if I could have got my, if I could get my fills really fast, I could buy, and if it doesn't go in my direction, just sell really fast.
Well, let me
But
ask.
the Webull doesn't.
Let me ask. Yeah. Wait. Are you on the trading account? Are you on the paper account or on your real
No,
money?
I'm still on the paper.
That's why the fills are slow. Oh, breaking through 398. It's time to jump on these 400s. God damn it. Don't listen to Eddie.
It's just
Oh man, let's see. Can we get
I
a
always like to wait for the pullback,
yeah, that pullback.
and I will buy. See, how I was taught with Ross was that the first pullback, if you don't take it, you missed it. Okay, and usually there's a second pullback, which is not as big as the first. But the reason why people take the second pullback is because they missed the first one, so they don't want to miss the second one.
Well, here's the thing too though, right? Sometimes the pullbacks don't come.
Correct.
So you have to go with the trend of the stock and the way that the stock is moving. And sometimes just in the morning you're not going to catch that stock. I mean, you're not going to get a trend line based off the opening bell. So sometimes you got to look out, into the bigger picture. Open up your time frames and see if there's a trend line there. So that sometimes you got to do that. Right now you're above the trend line from the pullback from Friday. All right. So Carlos says not too good. I am going to be heading down to Fort Lauderdale tonight. See houses, Uber down there. Come on down, bro. I'll be out tonight. I'll be out for a little bit tonight. You can hit me up, and if you're going to be in the area, we can do that. Looking, Eddie, we're looking at SPY to hit the trend line, the big macro trend line, and see if we reject through there, which is about by the time it gets there, it'll be around 399.30. All right. Richie Berger says, Eddie, how far are you from Dallas? I am looking at a car there right now. Maybe he pays you to drive it to Fort Lauderdale.
Damn, from Dallas, I'm like 3 hours away from Dallas.
He might need somebody to go look at the car and see if it's any good.
What kind of cars are you trying to buy?
Oh, he's gonna get. Oh no, listen, bro. Richie is he is an Infinity QX60 guy. He
Oh,
loves Infinities. He
touch.
loves them though. He
It looks
loves
so pretty.
them. Oh god. All right, we busted through that support. What the heck is going on here?
Yeah, I'm like 3 hours. Damn. Hey, Rich. Richie, are you gonna be working? Are you gonna be working the area?
Oh, Richie's a hustler, bro. He's always working.
Well, I don't know if he's gonna be ride sharing or if he's still doing his
No,
thing.
no, 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 no. Richie lives about 2 miles from me. This is my
Cor-
brother from another mother. This is the guy who busts my chops more than anybody I've ever known.
Oh, okay.
But his car, his SUV is a 2015, which is in beautiful condition. But it's a 2015, and now he's looking to replace that because all he's really got on Uber is XL. And I'm really not sure. I think he's still got Black XL on Lyft and everything. But in another month, all that's kaputs. It's done. So he's been looking the last 6 8 months. He's been waiting on a right price for a vehicle.
Well, I don't think it matters right now, man. He could get a good price anywhere.
No, 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 no. You don't know. You don't know Richie. And Richie's texting me while I'm on the live stream. Um, got 10 left at 1088. Should I get rid of them soon? Um, I mean, I'm not opposed to you selling them into earnings, Richie. I would set 5 at 16. This is not financial advice, so y'all don't get it twisted. Um, Richie, that's your call, buddy. You're up quite a few dollars right now. You got to be at 1088 and we're at 1550. You got to be up about 40% right now. 40% is a good number on the stock. You can sell 5, let the other 5 ride. I mean, that's probably what I would do, but I'm completely out because I don't trust the stock. I do not trust the Lyft stock. They are one bad press report away from going bankrupt.
Man, do I need another TV so bad. God damn.
Bro,
My,
bro.
now, now,
Stop.
now,
Wait.
now. Oh,
Stop.
hold on. Did you see that?
Yep, I just saw
Did,
that big dip.
did that just happen?
That did just happen. But you know why? We're getting ready to come into that economic news, economic indicator news.
Yeah.
What?
Let me pull up. Um, I know the news is not good here, but it's good to have around.
So now, Eddie, now we're into the Fibonacci retracement area. Now we've got a solid channel here. Now we got stuff to look at.
So
By the way, I have not taken a trade yet.
Fibonacci, right?
Give me a put. Where are we at?
Okay,
397.
look at this. Now, what I want to do is pull back, and I might take one more trade. Is there a particular news on a Weibo that I could actually that talks about like what's coming up?
No, I
No,
use Market Watch. I just go to the economic calendar. All right,
market.
I am now in 2 SPY puts, 395 puts, and yep, that's where I'm at. And so now we're just gonna watch.
What is this? 50% level. Where am I? 397.01, somewhere around there.
Say what now?
Well,
Okay.
I Fibonacci
Yeah,
the
397.03, 397.01 to bring you back to your first.
yeah,
Brings you
three
back to
ninety
your
seven.
first
Okay.
thing there. Yeah.
And usually, what you go for a 50% retrace?
Anywhere I'm looking for the 50% retracement. This might be a fake out, so you got to be aware of that. You
Yeah.
know, could be a fake out. I don't want to sit in this crap. That's for sure. Wait a minute, huh? What the hell? All right, my Weeble's messing up.
Hey, no time for mess ups right here. Come on, come down to the VWAP. That's right, for everybody that's watching. Doing my best to get out of the ride sharing lifestyle and into more into a trading. So I need to make my account is 1,000. So, I started with 1,000, went down to like 900 something. Now I got it back up again, following my rules. So it's been working so far. And it is just orange line, green line. Once my green line crosses the orange line, I buy with the anticipation, like today, with the anticipation that it's going to go up because I have my 200 EMA right under it, and my green line and my yellow line, it looks like they're going up. So at least right down here, you know, everything was like on an uptrend. So I bought somewhere over here, and then I sold it before when it got to this point right here.
All
And
right,
look,
so
it's
I
doing it
think
again.
my Weeble's starting to catch up here. Remember, I told you I was having problems with my Weeble account.
The flip didn't work out.
Um, no, it didn't yet. So I'm on the downside of this now. I'm down like 18 bucks. But I'm not trusting it yet. I still think we're gonna come back down to Papa. 10:01. So whatever the news was just dropped. Volatility levels are rising.
Let me see. Exane, BNP, Paribas downgrades PPG. No, streets. I don't know what none of this stuff is. I don't know, Vin.
What happened? No,
I
I'm
don't know.
getting distracted here. I got to learn to shut this damn phone off. Everybody thinks I can have a conversation with them when I can't, you know?
Yeah, I can't look at the chat, the restream, and my
All
stock
right.
market at the same
So
time.
near Dallas, Texas, to 2022
Oh,
Infinity QX60
Infinity
stock.
QX60 Lux. How much did it run?
Richie, what are they asking for, buddy? I mean, we're trading stocks here, you know, but we can talk about your truck in Dallas. Look at Genius, man. Genius is back up into this big, nice little zone here. It's at the bottom of this range. I don't know if I want to mess with Genius. I should.
Damn.
Let me switch over here to some
Wow.
real money.
Is it gonna go for another run?
Let's go GNS. I don't know. Do I want to get involved in GNS?
By
There
the
was
way, Vinny's expecting it to go down. I'm expecting it to go up.
yeah. I mean, you might be right. I might be wrong. I just switched into real money trades.
But this is the reason I like trading early in the morning. Where am I? This is the 1 minute to the 2 minute. Vinny got me into the 2 minutes. It came right back down. It crossed right over the VWAP and it started like consolidating, like right here, right above it. Boom, that's where I make my purchase, anticipating that was going to get to this point right here and keep going. And it actually did. It got to this point, but I panicked and I sold. Oh, oh, oh. How much am I up today?
I have no idea. Oh, you know what I don't? Ha 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 ha. Ha. That's what I don't have here. Damn it, man. That's what I don't have on this chart. I have it on the other. Where's it at? Give me the trade. Give me active trader.
I don't need this active trader.
Actually, you know what? I don't want that. Remove that. I want my classic trade. That's what I want
Order
right there.
entry, positions, order. Oh no, I don't even need this either. I have it right here. Okay, you might be good. It looks like it's topping off right here at 398.50.
Well, that's like I said, I just saw it starting to roll. If you look at it, you can start to see it starting to roll over.
It is RSI is it's at the top. It looks like it's curling and it's coming down from the overbought. Oh, look at that candle. Look at that red candle. Look at how big it is. See, when it keeps doing this and it keeps that little wick, it just keeps coming down and the cup just keeps staying like full to the red. You know, for me, it's like a good sign that it's just gonna keep going.
I want to see what Genius Brand's going to do here at the VWAP. See if it's going to reject the 200 moving.
Now, 397.30 is my 50%.
397.03. is your 50%.
which is right where the VWAP is in the 2 minute, correct? So in other words, it
My,
is a
my
good
VWAP
chance that it might go there, hit it, and bounce right off of it.
yeah, my VWAP's a little higher than that, but yeah, you're
It's
in the
around the
ballpark.
area. Yeah,
You're in the ballpark.
but
I am
it's not
watching
in.
Genius here. I want to see what Genius is going to do. Might be able to get a quick scalp. I don't normally scalp stocks themselves. I might scalp a few Genius shares here. They're cheap enough. They're $3.29. But when Richie first brought this up, it was under $2. Genius actually came down to that support level at 282 and bounced off of it, bounced back up. So that would have been a decent little um almost a 50-cent move. 46 cent move.
Oh
So
man, I gotta start. See, I'll be able to do it with my live account. On my live account, I can put a stop at break even. Once I make my money, boom, I sell one into profits, and then I sell the other one break even, and just let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
you know what? I think I'm going to take 5 here.
Yep, I really want it to come down to that VWAP right there.
We're going to set my stop loss up at 10%, and then we're going to take my profit at, oh, look at it. There's it goes too.
No, I don't want to see that. I just want to see my profits for today. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's only one option. God damn. Yep, so I bought it at 1.80 and I sold it at 1.9.
Damn it. I missed this move on Genius, bro. I really did. I missed this move on Genius. Now I got to wait. God
Talking
damn it.
about GNS.
Yeah, I missed the move,
Oh,
bro.
look at that.
I missed the move. I'm sitting here messing around with the options and I missed the move on GNS. That's now 60, 70, 76 cent move. So at a stock at 280, 70 something cent move, right? That's, let's see, be about 25%, somewhere around in there. 280, 70, 7 times 4 is 280. Yes, 25% move. Just that quick. Could have made 25% on your money this morning, but I wasn't paying attention. This is why, Eddie, it's so important to trust. Oh, here comes this idiot. Hold on, let me shut this idiot off.
Uh-oh. Who? Which one? Which one? Which one?
Omar. He never comes on the radio in the morning. Now he comes on the radio. And then that's it. Oh, we've got a halt. They halted GNS. It's been halted. All right, I'm watching
Oh,
SPY.
hopefully.
Yeah, they halted the stock. It moved up too quick. Started riding too fast. I'd love to
Hey,
see a
bring it on, Wes, man. Bring it on. Um,
bro, Wes. You have to. You have to. Why limit yourself to 3-day trades in a 5-day period? When in a cash account, if you're trading options and everything becomes available, settles overnight. If you're trading stocks, then you got to wait 2 days. But if you have enough money in your account, you can, 500 to 1 leverage.
oh, what the hell?
Please tell me that's not true.
The
Because 500 to 1 leverage will get you in a ton of trouble.
It depends. If he knows what he's doing, then yeah,
Did you read the comment?
Okay. If he knows what he's doing, he's gonna be all right.
Did you read the comment? Read the comment.
Hold on. Oh, but Wes, You just started with it because I did that one time. Um, oh, okay. I
I'm
I
just
did
saying.
it one time, and they gave me a. I think it was a six to one leverage. I think it was, and it was a $5,000 account. Um, and I was doing like quick trades, quick in and out. It was during the pandemic though, so I kept losing internet connection. And it was just bad. And then I would have to go into my phone and try to sell. And but yeah, I was trying to get into day trading. Day trading was my thing. But I lost 5 grand, 5 grand. But I didn't cry about it though. I just did.
Yeah, but you got to understand.
But it took me
What
years to
happens?
save. Took me
Yeah,
years to save.
but leverage, emotions, and if you're not disciplined, and I'm not saying Wes is or isn't, I'm just saying you start losing leverage, you can lose a lot of money really quick if they snatch the rug on you or you're not paying attention.
Okay,
By
I'm
the
gonna.
way, I
I'm
just
gonna.
sold out. I took a loss on those. I took a loss on those spy contracts. But something's not right with these spy contracts. I don't know what's going on here.
I don't know. I don't know. I feel like getting in and playing the. Let me try this.
Something's going on here with this. I don't know what's going on with my Weeble's still jacked up. Maybe I need to let me you know what? Let me do something here. Let me get off this computer. Let me get out of there. Let's see how I want to do this.
All right, so here we go. It broke above this level right here. I'm in 2 contracts. Okay,
Where we're at here.
let's see what it does. I could lose everything that I just made right now. So,
All right. We got to do something else here real quick.
but I'm just catching it up to the upside just a little bit.
Let's get this over here.
There it goes. This is what I would call a 1 minute pullback. It pulled back for 1 minute. Let's see if it takes off after that.
All right, let's get into this real quick.
Yeah, you know what? It's not doing it. It's not doing it.
All right. Let's get here now.
See that? And I'm down already. Where's my account? Yeah. I gotta charge my watch. It's so freaking cold today right now.
Why is it cold, brother?
I don't know. I don't know. Temperature. Okay, I might do it again now.
Bro, I am all out of sync this morning. All right. So now we're going to wait on this pullback with Genius. But now I have to set up because I never buy shares on Webull. I always use TOS. But, Genius. Let's pull a fib on Genius from the bottom here, which was a
Come
resistance.
on. Stay green. Stay green.
See what Genius wants to do here. Let's close that up into a 2-minute chart. All right, that Fibonacci is done.
Okay, here we go.
All right, my brother.
I'm back in again. Green candle.
All right, welcome to your trade there, Hoss.
Where am I? Am I in? Okay, let's see what it does.
There, that's what I want right there.
Now this is truly like way off my strategy. It's just that I am playing the 9 EMA bounce.
All right. Well, I'm looking at Genius. Um, so we're gonna see what happens here. I will bring up a chart for Genius Brands. Give me a second. Do, 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 do. GNS. So everybody can see what I'm looking at here. I'm going to share my screen real quick, Eddie.
Bring it on.
All right, so there's my Genius. Let me get the overlay off. Let me get the chat off. Necro, what's up, bro? Don't forget the message on screen because you blocking your cams. Yeah, I know, bro. That's why I just changed them out. You're 100%, bro. Bro, I like your live streams, dude. So real and authentic, dude. I like authentic people. I don't like fake. I don't like grifters and I don't like fake. You got to check his live streams out, bro. He's a young up and coming he's an up and coming YouTuber too. All right, so now look,
It's taking too long. It's taking.
323. 323 is our 50% retracement area. Let me get that blue in there. We're going to look for a zone here. I'm looking for a zone in here somewhere. What the hell?
I'm getting out. It's taking too long. It's a new high right now, 398.81, and it's just like not doing anything. But I'm still up on my account. Oh shit!
Right,
I'm up higher. Really?
it's 5 minute. Give me a 2 minute chart here. All right, Eddie, you see this yellow zone here?
Hold on, hold on. I gotta switch my screen. Yeah,
That yellow zone. Now, this is Genius Brand. This is GNS. Okay.
this is the one Richie was talking about.
Yeah, this is the one. I heard that, bro. I hear you, man. You got to get that money, bro. Grab those bags. Listen, what I'm looking at here is I'm looking to get into this yellow zone and see what it does in there. That would be that 50% retracement off this leg. So here's the bottom of the leg this morning. Hold on. Here's the bottom of the leg, right? Boom. Obviously, you can see the top. This should be at 282. Hold on. Let me bring that where that's supposed to be. Yeah. Obviously, you can see the top here, right? This was the top area.
Yeah, yeah.
So this yellow zone, this blue line represents 50% retracement for the fib. So we're going to look and see if it gets into this area or if it bounces right off this area. I'd like to see it get into this area. The bottom of this is 78% retracement, which would be sweet. Here, let me put a yellow line in there. This would be a buy zone. This yellow box is a buy zone if we think the trend is going to continue to the upside. So now we wait and see what it does. Entry level, an entry position would be in here. So, all right, where are you at on yours?
Oh, I was trying to play the EMA bounce to the upside, but it's overextended. Um, really overextended. Um, my RSI is still coming down. Um, and my MACD is still kind of like currently right back down. So let's see. It just keeps like nicking up to this level, but not doing anything.
Yep. 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 Well, I mean, if you look, well, you don't have it up. Yeah, you do. You got your volume range profile up.
Yeah.
It's right at the top. That's the top of the range in your time frame right now. That's the top of your range.
Hold on. Let me do the 2 minute. See, that's like
So
I don't know. It's not like a lot of volume, but it keeps coming down, and it might
that's
continue. I don't know.
that's
See,
because you're at the top of the
I don't
volume
know it.
and slow
Yeah, I
range.
don't know it through experience, so I don't know what to.
Well, so you watch, and you develop that experience by watching. You know, you see where the top of the range is right now,
See, like
so
there's
you know
nothing
you're
there,
coming right. So now,
so there's
if
it's
it
gonna keep
breaks
going.
through
It's
that
gonna
to the
go.
upside, it's going to move fast.
Yeah.
Absolutely,
See, okay, there it
absolutely.
goes. Oh, okay. See that? And then here, where this big volume was, it was hitting it right here, but look at this big volume bar, like it wasn't going anywhere. And I don't want to hold on. I don't want to hold on to it. I see the overall range that for me, it looks like it's just going up. But overall it's going up, but I get scared and I should see this would be a good sign to stay in the trade because it's going with the trend, the current trend for the day. Okay, so if it's low volume like this compared to these, it's most likely gonna have a resistance when it's big bars like this, but when it's a little bar like this, it's less likely.
I like that you're using the fib retracement. You're adding that into your arsenal. That's a good thing. I wonder how much volume was on this candle.
All right. See that? And give it all the indicators that it's gonna say that it's gonna go to the downside, that it could go to the downside, it doesn't. All right, hold on, let me get rid of my VP. Where's my fib? This is my fib right here. And it just keeps going up. I can't believe I got this from this kid on YouTube, and it's been working like a charm.
What's that? Your
This
fib,
strategy,
your yeah, well, keep it simple, bro.
200 shows in which direction it's currently going. Once the green line crosses the orange, which is my VWAP to the upside, then that's when I take it as nearest to the line as possible.
If Serge is watching this, Sergio's watching, he's probably like, green line, red line, orange line. Oh my God. But
Yeah,
he understands because he's complimented you already. You got the right strategy. Keep it simple. It's not like we're trading, $10,000 here. We're not trading 10 grand at a time. So relatively slow morning though. Not really a lot. All right. So Wes is like, hey, sometimes you got to zoom out, Eddie. Right? You're learning that higher time frames.
oh
Randy
yeah,
Lee, watch you gain money, not watch you lose money. And
yeah.
that's
It's
important.
people tend to want to watch more when it's negative.
Who you telling? Who you
So
telling?
that's why.
Because they want to tell you you're wrong.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's not a lot of them out there. It's only like a few. It's only like a few people that really just like, oh well, I told you you should have never done it. I was like, oh yeah, but you need to understand that I'm doing this for myself. I'm not doing it for you. I'm doing it for me because if everything goes wrong and I give up, then I lost. But
Exactly.
if during my losses I keep going until I surpass my losses with winnings, then then I'm doing good because that's the idea. You gotta hit your bottom for you to be able to create your up. He's like, oh, gambling your money away. That's not good or whatever. Market's unpredictable. And I was like, other people are doing it. Why can't I?
Exactly.
And like I always say, if Elon Musk can put a rocket that he built himself in space, then I could do this.
What are you talking about, dude?
Dude, I was wondering how he made the components. Did he 3D print them? He built his engines from scratch.
What are you talking about? Elon Musk?
Yeah, when he was building the rocket engines,
Uh huh.
he built them from scratch. I'm just
Yeah, he read a book.
wondering. Yeah, correct. He read books. He read books. He dropped out of school. I was if this freaking bastard can do this, then I could do this. God damn, Vinny.
What?
I don't want to trade no more. I'm already in my P&L today.
So don't trade anything.
Um, hey, okay, so on my Weevil, I see that I have 5 days here. What if I don't want to look if I just want to look at the day?
What do you mean?
Hold on. Let me add. I want to see how much I made for the day. Add widgets.
Your
La
P and
la
L
la
should tell you that.
la. Yeah, but it just gives me this graph.
So do a custom time frame. Click on the calendar and mark today. Today.
Yeah, it doesn't. God damn it. Did I grab it? No. Oh.
Bro, I think Weeble's still screwing up here. I think it still has a couple of flaws in it today.
Oh, here. What's today's date? The 23rd.
Mm-hmm.
So, February 23rd.
While you're doing that, I'm going to bring up everybody. I'm still looking at Genius here,
February 23rd.
looking to see if
Okay.
we're going to break out above the 200 EMA and break this trend line. Volume has slowed down tremendously. Today's volume is 24 million. On average, it trades 54 million. Well, no, that's actually almost half volume for today. So no,
Oh,
volume's not bad. See too many.
did you read this news update on who urges immediate action after cough syrup death?
What?
What the hell?
Volume is low. Everything's yours. I missed the move, bro. I
London, the
missed the
World
move on
Health
Genius this morning.
Organization has called for an immediate and concerted action to protect children from contaminated medicine after a spate of child deaths linked to cough syrups last year.
Listen, I don't trust none of those organizations. I don't trust none of these organizations, not the WHO, not the WEF, not CDC. I don't trust none of them. CDC, none of them, bro. I don't trust none of them,
Yeah,
dude.
did you see
I don't
the
trust.
the world whatever? But she's like in charge of nutrition or something like that.
I don't give a damn who it is. I don't trust none of them, dude. Not a
It's
one of them. I don't care.
she's,
You're not going to convince me.
she's
When
like
I
it's a
look at these people, listen, bro, listen. Who's this look like? Who's this look like? Okay, Doctor Evil. They're all freaking Doctor Evils right now, as far as I'm concerned. All of them, every goddamn one of them. You know what? Give me a witch doctor over these damn certified doctors right now. I'll take the witch doctor and let him poke me in the hind parts with a needle or a bamboo shoot and blow smoke up my hind parts because I'm not dealing with no doctors right now, bro.
Well, look at this. SPY
What are
is
we looking
heading up to 400,
at? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I see it.
400, 400. The last time it touched, boom,
Bam.
boom, it took a dive. It took a dive. All right, so
Yes, it
let's
did.
see. Where is the SPX? SPX. SPX is at that 4,000 level too, but it went above it. It went above the 4,000.
Uh-huh. Let's bring up SPY so everybody can see it. Boom. There's SPY. There's today's SPY on the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. You can see still got a ways to go though to get to the big macro. The big trend line right there. Still got a ways to go.
See that zeros? When there's a whole bunch of zeros,
But look at the RSI on the 2-minute chart, bro. Oversold.
yeah, yeah,
Or I mean overbought.
overbought.
Overbought. Genius is coming back down. Remember, I told you I want Genius to come into my zone. I might take a shot at it when it comes in.
Me too.
Randy Lee says, "Hey, I'm glad you guys have this on the side since Uber Lyft rates are horrible."
Yeah,
Bro, go ahead, Eddie.
you got to find your way out. You got to find your way out. Ride sharing is not forever, you know. So I got to do this. I got to do this. Um, so oh, can't wait.
Well, if he's got 100 Bitcoin, Randy also says, "My friend told me he has 100 Bitcoin." So 100 Bitcoin, well, he's got a lot more than I got. I do have, but he's got a sugar ton more than I do. See, Eddie, I caught myself. I said sugar ton. I
Yeah,
caught myself. So
sugar,
YouTube out
honey,
there,
something, whatever.
sugar honey iced tea. Let's go.
Sugar.
You're quoting Van. I like that sugar honey iced tea. Um, he's in Reno right now, vacation. He's always reading graphs. Yeah, bro. But so let's see. That
I'm
put
gonna try
him.
this.
If he's got 100 Bitcoin, about almost 2.2 million. Is that right? Yeah, it'd be like 2.2 million. Right now, BTC Bitcoin is what 22,000. Let's see where BTC is.
I'm gonna put. I'm about to get the put on the. Uh,
Let's see where BTC
I would
is.
really
Where's
like it to
my
touch the
BTC?
400.
Right now, Bitcoin, and we'll put this on the daily frame here. Bitcoin had that nice move above. It broke above the 200-day EMA moving average. Rather, it's above the 200 moving average. But let's get into a weekly time frame. There we go. So it's BT's. Yeah, Bitcoin. It's looking good right now. Here, boom, boom. There's a trend line. It's finally broken out of that downward trend. So now the next move for Bitcoin is 25,000. Can we get it right now? Bitcoin's going to have to break 25,000.
I keep hearing that's gonna go down to 1200, or did it reach there already?
No, no,
Oh
no, no.
wow.
Bitcoin's got down. Actually, I can put in that low now. Low was at 15.5, but this is a nice run up. And notice this run up is when all the banks and everybody are starting to squander and run. See, it's funny. Jamie Dimon and company and the Fed and all that, they try to tell you that Bitcoin is crap. It's a Ponzi scheme. The problem is, is everybody's still using it as a hedge, just like gold. If you go look at the price of gold is up. So when the markets get scared and money gets scared, they take their money out of stocks, right? And they put it into something secure. If Bitcoin was a scam and it wasn't secure, you wouldn't see this goddamn run up here, right? It's $7,000 move in what 2 weeks, week and a half. This is why my Bitcoin sits on my ledger in a safety deposit box, and I don't touch it. Anyway, anyway. Hey, did something really bad happen in LA? Yeah. Yeah, you had somebody run into a nightclub and but look at this. Hold on before I get there. Look at this though, Eddie, on Bitcoin scale. RSI is way overbought.
Okay, hold on. I was buying my put.
All right, will
I
you
just
buy your
I just bought one put. Okay, Bitcoin. Uh-huh.
Bitcoin right now is it's overbought. Look at the RSI on the daily. It's way overbought.
Yeah.
Genius, Genius is right in the middle and it's coming into my buy zone. Randy, yeah, you had some crazy dude, man, walk into I think it was a nightclub and just started pop shotting people. I think 10 people passed, another 10 were injured. It's unfortunate, man. Unfortunate. You had the riots, you had the Banana Head riots in Atlanta over the weekend, the peaceful protest. You remember that, Eddie, right? The peaceful protest.
Yep, we were talking about it last night.
It was so peaceful. They were throwing off fireworks and
Setting
roasting
buildings on fire. There
marshmallows.
was a cop car on fire. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was pretty peaceful.
And then you had the shooting in LA. Asia, well, I don't want to label them, but
Right, he just walked in and just started popping people right, left and right.
yeah, yeah. Yep. 10. 10 rest in pieces. Anyway, so Eddie, it's 10:38. We got about another 22 minutes of trading. I lost money on those options, but that was the paper trade account. I am actually really interested to see what Genius. I missed that move, man. I missed that move. That was an 80-cent move today. I missed that move. So now we keep an eye on it. Nothing
Well,
else set up for me. Nothing else really showed itself to me. Even SPY, as much as it moved, which is a really, really good move, right? That's a damn good move, man.
yeah, Spy really did really good today, really good.
But see, I didn't feel comfortable with the move.
So it's hitting this 400. The last time it did this, it tanked. Like it tanked. Like
Psychological
pretty
level
bad.
right there. 400
It's
psychological
it's
level.
75 $75 for one put option. Um, I don't care. I'm technically up right now and it hasn't moved, but it looks like okay, it's consolidating. Let me see where it goes. If it goes above and it closes above 400, then I'm gonna be out. But I'm expecting it to touch the 400 and just to the downside. I'm not gonna lose that much on the 75, so I'm
All
I'm
right.
still gonna be in profit if I lost anything. All right, but then if it does pop, I just want to catch it when it goes, and then if it goes, I'm gonna go ahead and buy another option, assuming that it's gonna come down to what is this? 398.54, which is the high right here, 398.54. All right, and then maybe sell on the way down to the VWAP.
There you go. See, that's called a trading plan. So you have a plan based on your experience and you're seeing something out there for you. That's a good thing. Good morning,
Sure.
Tony. What's going on, buddy? I hope you guys aren't too cold up there in Colorado. Um genius, genius, genius. What do we want to do? See, came into my buy zone, broke below 50%. But
Come on, I know you.
if I were trading options, this is good. But I'm not trading options in this. So I need to see a little bit more. I need to see above break above that 200. I need to see above that 200, buddy. So you see what I'm talking about. Tony, I was watching you guys' stream on and off all weekend, dude. I really like how you and the missus do that, dude. That's choice. I like it. Um, I had some Canadian customers that says their way of like saying kudos and hey, good job is I would die for it. Means I love it. That's what they were telling me. I don't know. I ain't trying to die
Really?
for nothing. Yeah,
That is so
bro.
cool.
Great
I'm
fan.
like,
Hey, bro, they threw me like an $18 tip on the app. Nice little
nice.
hotel ride. Yeah, it was like a nice $40 ride. By the way, I'll be putting out my earnings later. I started the video yesterday. I'll finish it up today, and we'll get it out later on this afternoon. Got to keep my videos going. Eddie, you got a video coming out today too, don't you, buddy? Rideshare video.
Yeah, rideshare video. I was editing, finishing up my editing. It's just that last night we were up till late.
It's your fault.
Um,
It's not my fault. That's your fault.
and I didn't actually go out this morning, which Mondays are really good for me if I wake up early.
You didn't go out this morning,
Nope.
bro.
I have to edit my videos and stuff. So I woke up early. I woke up like at 6, something like that.
Bro,
It's like I
Eddie,
need to edit
Eddie,
my
Eddie.
videos.
They're not gonna be happy with you in Jersey, bro.
So, well,
anyway, anyway, if you're just joining us, I've made a statement today about my YouTube channel. I was gonna do separate channels, but because I feel to me that driving Uber and Lyft is more of a lifestyle, and I believe in being authentic with the lifestyle. I am going to mix in all of my stuff together instead of trying to run separate channels. It's just too much work. I'm a one man show, and so we're not going to do
yes, yes, you got my. I'm gonna buy another one.
that. Oh,
I'm gonna buy another one.
Randy Lee. Some Uber Lyft customers said they think Zuckerberg is the BTC creator. Yeah, no, 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 no. And Tony, you're welcome, brother. I'm telling you, I really like. As soon as I can figure out how you guys are doing that, I kind of want to do the same thing down here. Um, but I got to figure it out first. I got to find your secret sauce to go live because I was telling Eddie, I think it would be pretty cool since Eddie and I both drive the same vehicle if we were on live
Yeah,
head to head. Well, riding out together, not that way of riding out together. I like women. I think Eddie
not that.
likes
Yeah,
women.
not no.
No
What is
freaky
that?
deaky.
Will Smith
No
and
freaky. No,
Martin
no, no, no,
Lawrence.
no, 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 no. Yeah, no freaky deaky.
Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna
What you
do?
gonna
What you
do?
gonna
What you
do when we
gonna do
come
when they
for
come
you
for
in the
you?
Cadillac?
So we want to do the same thing, dude. We want to both be out there ride sharing at the same time. Set a little goal up, have a little competition, see what we can do.
Yeah, compete
See
with
what we can do.
uh.
All right, genius. See genius. Okay, now we're at that 200 level again. So can it break? Can it break the red line, as Eddie would say? Can we break out above the red
Just
line?
respect it. That's what I want to do, man. Just disrespect it. Disrespect it. It is up here. It broke and it just didn't want to go. It just didn't want to go. I really to really go to the downside. I need a really big candle like this. Big candle like this. Big candle like this.
Well, here, let me bust your pipe a little bit. There's your channel. Here's your green channel for the day on Spy.
All
So
right,
is it
hold
going to
on.
roll here? Is it going to roll here and retrace at this point?
Mhm.
Would
Mhm.
which let's see the retracement would bring it if it rolls here 398.73 is your 50 if it rolls. There you go. If it rolls, it's got to break out of that green channel.
I see it. I don't know. I just kind of like. I just see it. I could
Anyway,
be wrong.
this stream will be going to 11 a.m. So another 15 minutes and then
And then we're done.
we're going to move on. Yeah. Okay, so the Driven Dad is saying that's Tony. If you guys don't know, go check out his channel. The Driven Dad and the Driven Mom. They do some really cool stuff. They both drive Teslas. I still got to find out about that um, test driving with the Tesla. That guy, what he's trying to do. Maybe he wants to do something in South Florida. Maybe we can do something together. I just put the phone mounted with the snap mount on the dash and swipe my iPhone screen from right corner when I have a passenger. Ah,
Wait,
so
hold
you,
on. Say it.
yeah, he's saying that he mounts his phone on the dash
Uh huh. Uh huh.
And then when he has a rider in the car, he just swipes right on his iPhone screen. He swiped from the right corner, and that I guess kills the camera. So I am going to practice that
Oh,
today because I would like to use so I have two phones, Tony. I've got an Android, I got an S22 Ultra, and I got an iPhone, which I want to throw in the fuck. I want to throw in. I almost said it. I want to
I
throw
was
in the
going to
Banana
say.
Head Lake with an anchor and a brick on top of it, and just absolutely destroy anything Apple. But anyway, um, I use my Apple phone for all my rideshare stuff. I use my Android for all my everything else stuff. But when I'm driving, I'll have Uber on my Apple phone, and I'll have Lyft on my Android phone. So I have them both open. But I'm going to try that with the Apple today. I'm going to try that on the Apple phone today. Randy Lee wants to know, what is your MPG on the caddies? Mine, I'm about 23.8, 23.7 as of yesterday. That is city highway, but I have a lot of highways. I have a lot of highways.
Mine is coming up. Well, the car is saying that it's 22.
Bro, think about that though. 22 miles to the gallon on the size of that vehicle is damn good.
So it's been pretty good. It's not like I step on it.
Hey, look at your spy, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at it. It's going against me. It's go.
Woohoo!
Woo! I'm not
I
down
don't
that
want it to
much.
go against you, bro. I want you see it though. That's why that channel is so important, bro. Once you have a defined channel, you got to look at that channel.
Uh-huh. I'm looking at the channel. I'm looking at the channel. Okay.
Genius right now is just Genius is just in the middle. It ain't doing nothing. It's in this bigger zone. The green box is the bigger zone with all the volume in it. And then when you look back, you can see it's just been bouncing around there. So if it breaks, but if it can break out, you got another good little channel up here. Where's it at, Bim? You got a decent range here, which would put you where it consolidated before, which is close to the high. And I guess we can duplicate that since I'm actually looking at it now.
Oh, I'm still up 399.87. Come on.
So you're making money, right?
No, 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 no. Oh no, I'm down on mine right now.
Bro, you're supposed to be making money. You're going to disappoint Randy. All right.
I'm down right
It
now.
brings up on my iPhone volume and brightness screen, basically. Oh, I know where you're talking about. Okay, okay, okay. Channels. Tesla's starting to move up. Yeah, we're starting to get a little uptick in the market. VIX is steadied off. VIX is actually down for the day. Currency is steady. Oil is down to 81.83. Bonds are about 3.5. Okay. Anyway, SPY approaching 400. Eddie, what are you going to do, buddy? What are you going to do with SPY at 400? What's your
I don't
goal?
know. Let me see. And if it turns around right there at the 4 level, ooh, let me see, because if it breaks the 399 to the upside, it might just take off again.
Today might be a no trade day for me, buddy.
Hold on, I'm gonna set this up for 2. I'm ready to sell.
If you guys have never tried Webull, you can give it a shot. I know I have a link in my description. Eddie has a link in his description. Um, you can download the app, set it up. You have your choice of working on a desktop, like I do, like Eddie's doing. You have your choice of working on a mobile app, so you can drive and
It
trade.
sucks on a mobile app.
Yeah, when you're used to the desktop, it does. But you can still trade. You just got to be a lot more disciplined.
It's just
They're going to give you some free stocks. They're going to give us some free stocks. off your, but you don't have to. Tesla's up 5% today to 140. But here's the thing, you can practice. You can practice, you can practice, you can practice. You can paper trade to your heart's content. You can join us in the mornings. There are plenty of people online that'll try to show you and sell you a course. Find those that aren't, and find your way and get ready to make your way out of rideshare. That was a public service announcement.
Really need to get out of ride sharing.
Well, I mean, we got a few people watching today. That's a good thing. To me, I
Yeah.
didn't trade. I mean, I made a paper trade that I lost like 20% on, but cash trades, real money, nothing today. Nothing really. I missed the move on Genius. I missed the move on Genius. This move right here was the move, and it's all Eddie's fault that I missed the move. But I'm going to show you this was the move from like right here to like right there. That was the move. And if you can see that, I don't know, let me see if I can open it up, make it bigger for you. Let me move this down. That's a 24% move. Entry would have been about right here. Exit would have been on the way down, because you can see right there that would have been an exit point for a quick 70-cent scalp. So if you bought 10 shares, it'd cost you $28, thereof $29. You'd have got out at about 30 $35 and change. You'd have made $7 on that, but you would have made 24% on your money invested. Anything over 5% a day is good. Anything. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there.
Ooh, ooh,
All right,
ooh.
Eddie, there's your chart, buddy. There's your
There, there,
chart. Do your
there,
thing.
there is my chart. There's my chart. I'm looking at the 1 minute. I'm just looking for a candle under candle. Um, see where it goes. It's testing it, testing it, testing it. That's the 1 minute, but the 2 minutes, the one that I'm really looking at. 400 zeros, zeros, zeros are very good points of either support or resistance.
That's psychological for all
Ooh,
you mental cases out there.
it's just what's gonna happen when it touches it.
I don't know, Eddie, but we got 6 minutes before we end this stream, buddy.
Oh yeah, I got 6 minutes.
But
Here's my
this is it.
two.
We'll be trading in the mornings. I'm putting it on my channel from now on. There'll be a playlist called Morning Trades. That's already there. We'll have this there, and I'm definitely going to stay on all the rideshare stuff. Maybe I'll go live tonight while I'm out, because I want to try Tony's method, and then I'll bug Eddie, and we can rideshare from Fort Lauderdale and Austin, Texas, and
Yeah,
then maybe we can
well,
get Eddie
maybe.
to promote his $5 ebook a little more. Bro, you don't promote your $5 ebook. What's wrong with you?
I'm so when I'm driving, I like focus on driving and just getting the day done and reaching, and making my money.
Yeah, but
It's
if
a
you're
bit
not
of a
having fun
pain.
with it, but
I,
if you're not having
I
fun
am
with it,
having fun with it, but I want to make sure that I stay focused, on my particular goal, which is trying to get out. I don't really want to, but again, I don't know. It's just one of those things, you know, that I go
yep,
through
I hear you. But
when I'm
bro,
just driving
you
in my
gotta have
car.
fun ride sharing. You gotta have fun ride sharing. If you're not having fun ride sharing, you just might as well just go drive off a cliff. Thelma
Go,
and Louise.
go, 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 go. No, the other way,
Yep.
the other way.
No, it's 400. Well, bro, we haven't broken 399.97. You haven't broken yet. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay, man. You're gonna be okay, man. But see, here it comes. Dig it on, dig it on, dig it on.
See that?
Here, one time for
400
Eddie. One
zeros,
time for Eddie,
zeros.
y'all. This is how I'm treating Eddie right now. FBI, open up! Spy is coming for you, buddy. It's coming for you. FBI, open up!
Because if it breaks, it's gonna go.
Let's see. I'll tell you right now if it's
Oh
gonna
man,
go.
look at the volume right here. Volume, volume, volume.
I am opening up the volume range.
See the size on the ask. See the sizes on the ask.
Not even looking at it. I'm strictly just because I'm not trading it, so I'm not paying attention to it. What I am looking for is the next spot up.
See, this is spy. Yeah, this is spy. The sizes on the bid, ask, bid. Yeah, they're going back and forth.
All right, so I got your next spot up. If it breaks 400, we'll be looking at 401, 401.05. If it breaks to the upside, but look, bro, look, let your channel be your guide. See, it's making these little moves, bro, like this. Check this out, right? It's up, then you got a bottom here. You got a bottom here. You had a bottom here. I'm just rough drawing this. I'm not trying to be accurate here. Got a bottom here. It's stair stepping. Step, step, step. So now let's see if it steps here. See if this is a stair
Oh,
step
you
also.
bastard! It went to the upside. God damn.
Now remember, next spot 401. But you see the steps?
Uh
Blue
huh.
line step, blue line step, blue line step. They weren't this downtrend and then push through. It's just stair stepping up. So there you go. Let's see. Yellow line is 401.05. Still in the channel though. That's how you know. This is how you knock out a lot of that emotional let your runners run. This is why I like the parallel channels. Stair stepping, stair stepping, stair stepping, stair stepping.
Okay. I am out. Yeah. Damn it.
Ah, that's all right. You learned something new today. You know that, right?
Yeah. That once I make my trade and
Use
make my profit, get out. Stay out.
it.
Cross my hands.
Well,
That's
cross
all.
your hands is one thing, but using a parallel channel once it's established, and then knowing watching the stair steps, stair steps, stair steps. That means it's climbing stair steps. But look at that! Look at that big sell pressure.
Yep. Look at
What's
sell pressure, and I keep seeing it on the order book, but
Mhm. So what's it going to do right here? That's what we want to see. We want to see what it's going to do right here. Hold on, I need to.
give me my
I need
candle on the candle.
What's it going to do right here? Is it going to break that channel, or is it going to stair step again? Rug pull, or do we keep going higher? Because that was a pretty sizable volume sell candle.
Yes, but it closed under.
Uh huh. Yeah, it
It
closed under
closed under
400,
400.
but they couldn't bring it down more. So for the amount of so look at the previous candles, 13,000, 22,000. That sell candle there on that 2-minute candle, am I in the 2-minute chart here or 1 minute? Yeah, 2-minute chart was 42,500 shares sold on that candle, and it couldn't bring it down, even though there was a lot of sell pressure there. And there's still some sell pressure here. Look at the candle wicks. Look at your wicks. Let your wicks be your guide. If you're wicking to the top, that means you have buyers, but there's more selling pressure. See, you go back through the channel, equal more buying pressure, selling pressure, more buying pressure. big buying pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. It evened out. A little more buying pressure, even though it was a red candle. Hammer candle, bink, takes off. So it might be getting exhausted. But here's the thing, Eddie, what are we doing here? We're outside of the channel. Look at that.
Yeah,
We're outside of the channel now.
we'll see the candle, my 2 minute candle.
We're outside of the channel, homie. Now you're out though, right?
Yeah, I'm
You're
out.
out, you're clean? All right. It's 11:01. Let's
Yep,
lock the
yep.
stream down. We're good for the day.
Right.
Driven Dad, hold on. Tony wants to know, do either one of you run rideshare through an LLC? Eddie
Yes.
does. Eddie does. And I used to. Last year I did not run it through an LLC. I'm just gonna do a Schedule C. Ah, Eddie. See, this is why you got to pay attention, bro. Look at genius making a run. I'm gonna miss the leg again because I was with you on Spy. It's your fault. Actually, this
Well,
showed me
technically,
where I
no,
was.
you're still.
No, I'm not in it. But this is the area where remember I said I was waiting for it to get into that zone.
Yeah,
This would
yeah.
have been my, I didn't buy. That would have been my buy zone because it broke below the 50, found its support, and it kept going. So this would have been another leg up. So let's see this.
Damn it!
You know,
Damn it!
right at the support level. Right now, we'd be up another 18%. Well, let's call it fair. We'd be up another 17. So I missed this 24% move and this 17% move right now.
This is awesome. Hold on.
So anyway, let's wrap this live stream up. All
All
right,
right.
y'all. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Like I said, Eddie, you're dropping your video today.
Yeah, I'm dropping my video today. I'm just finishing up security alert.
Uh-oh.
Critical issue, suspicious sign in attempt prevented.
Is it easy to get Uber and Lyft to update from your social security number to your EIN number?
Hold on, is it what?
He wants to know, Tony wants to know, is it
Oh,
easy
yes,
to
very
update your
easy.
tax return?
Actually, very easy. You go into the Uber account and tax preferences, and it just says LLC, and change your EIN number. Put your LLC name in it, and then you put your EIN. Just make sure when you do that, you don't transfer the money into your personal account. You transfer it into your business bank account, in which you're probably going to use your also use your EIN to open the account.
See, that's a good answer because a lot of people don't know that they can form that LLC and do the taxes.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Right on the app, on the tax on the taxes, you can switch everything over. You know, where you will put your own, tax information. You can just switch it. There's gonna be a menu there, and you'll switch to LLC.
All right. Richie, I'll take a look at whatever that is, HLBZ, in a little bit, buddy. I'm not ignoring you. All right. We're gonna wrap it up. Eddie's dropping his video this afternoon. I'm gonna drop a video this afternoon. My video's gonna be my last week's earnings, and then also what I'm kind of feeling as far as upfront pricing and versus rate cards. And anyway, it'll be a mini rant. A mini rant. All right, y'all. Eddie, send us home, brother.
Yo. All right. I'll see you guys. Remember, Ride sharing, it's only temporary. You only use it to fund your dreams. These are mine. All right, let's keep making this money.
Make the pivot,
Peace.
y'all. Make the pivot.